Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing. Welcome. Thank you so very much for joining me. This is Smash Our Stash. This is a collaboration with Bourbon Creek Crafts here on YouTube. And once a month, we have a category of items that we're supposed to use out of our stash. And it just pushes us to use things. This month is buttons, sequins, and bling. Well, buttons, sequins, and gems. I used a bunch of red, white, and blue because I'm preparing for my July daily. I think I certainly wouldn't have dug in and used as much of this stuff as I did. I wouldn't have sewed all these buttons on. And I took a piece of fabric and then sewed a splash of buttons on some star fabric and a piece of lace at the top. And then I'll sew that into my journal. And then I had a flag that was stamped out from last year, the red part, and I just took a heart right there and put a blue, like the field of blue, and then I put stars all over it. I have some clear ones, but I just didn't think they would pop as well. And then on this one, these are little star jemmies and little puffies, and I just embellished up this tag. May all your wishes come true. This was sent to me in Happy Mail, and I just love it and wanted to put it in my journal. So I glued some sequins and put a little bit of bling on it, and joy with some gems on it to sparkle it up. And then this one I have gems, and these are actually brads, and I've stamped in white and then put some gems down there. And then this is one of those things that had been in my stash, and I thought, I'm gonna use it for Smash Our Stash. It's a big swirly gem piece, all connected, and I wanted to put it on something that gave it a wow factor. So what I'm gonna do is, this is part of a tissue box, and I'm going to use this as a pocket in my journal. So it'll have this shape and it'll have the gems all over it. Sometimes you put the gems on the page and then you think, oh, I should have done more with it. I should have given it more of a wow factor. So I think that does it. I took a little card that is already decorated and added some sequins and puffies to it just to make it interesting. This one right here, I took a giant embellishment. This is one big embellishment that's a flag, all gems, and it was a little sticky, so I ran some foiling around the edge to soak that up, and then I sewed it onto this to make it a pocket. I'm imagining a bunch of these as pockets in my journal, or maybe little tiny cute journaling cards. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to check out the other collaborators and come back next month to see what we smash on the 7th. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.